Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Good to see everybody. Today is Flippin' Furniture Friday. It is hosted by Shabby Meets Bling and OK at Home. It's fun, ladies. Watch them. So I am using DIY paint. I have Big Top for sealant. My spray bottle, my coffee stand for my phone, and two different types of brushes. So I am using a gray and need those paper towels and wipes. I didn't use the beadboard, or not beadboard, the burlap, the faded burlap. I didn't use that one. It's more a beige, where I wanted to change this to a gray because that's what my bedroom is, and this chair goes in my bedroom. I got this chair, two of these chairs from my friend, and she moved out of my house, and I have been wanting to redo them because, I didn't like them. But, just uncorking these things. Here's the gray. Got to give it a good mix up. So anyway, this is a good way to get me going. And there's a collaboration. It gets me going and gets things finished. So I started with the underside first. This is a DIY paintbrush. Good coverage on it, really a good brush. So I'm just, I figured it was easier to turn the chair over and get the underside. So, I'm getting the underside, and I ended up hitting it with 2 or 3 coats, depending upon the area. Ooh, I have a dog coming to give me a kiss. It's a grand puppy. The big old Labrador. She's silly. She's crazy. Oh, here comes the other one. He's a big old white Labrador. No, kisses from the babies. I came over to see Grandma for a few days while my daughter's off at a conference. So now I'm starting to hit some of the outside areas. It goes on kind of dark, but it dries a lighter color. Now I am doing the seat. Went around behind it, and I'm doing the seat. And to do the seat, you need a spray bottle. And so you kind of mist it, and then you hit the paint and spread it out. And then you get really good coverage this way. Debbie Beard, the lady who is the owner of the DIY paints, she paints furniture all the time. She painted a cat. Oh, you heard the dog. She painted a couch. She's painted a lot of things. So you can see with that brush and the spray bottle, it really works it into that fibers, and it helps it so it's not so stiff. Now I've taken a damp rag after it's all dry, and I'm going and distressing some of the areas. Fresh paint looks great on furniture, but I am just a distressor person. And I kind of like that you see that brown coming through. Okay, now I am using the Big Top. It's a sealer, and it's crystal clear, and it really seals nicely. Sorry about that. I had my hand kind of over the lens and I didn't know it. So now I have taken a IOD, Iron Orchid Design transfer, and I'm going to put it on the seat. You can see I put it on the back. I'll put the name of it in my description. So it was kind of a job to get this laid down. And you can see how some of it was a little strange sticking down. So I'm just kind of burnishing it to get it to lay down nice. And you can see I got a crack in the big flower. So you let me know, what do you think? Should I touch it up with some paint or just leave it like that to make it look distressed? I don't mind it. So now I'm taking the Big Top and sealing. It's always good to seal your transfers, be it with wax or liquid patina or Mod Podge or anything like that. But I do like the liquid patina and the Big Top. So I'm getting those sealed down. And here is the transfer that I used. I'll show you on the back. It's got all kinds of cute little animals on it, birds. So like I said, thanks for watching and coming along. And I hope you like it. I hope it gives you a little inspiration for something that you want to make over. I love making things over. Okay, bye.